As the sun rises each morning, and as God continues to wake us each day, it means we're still blessed by Him. Like a golden sunlight shining into our lives, every ray brings a new beginning. Hello everyone, it's been a long time since I last uploaded my waiting season vlog. And you might be wondering why this MWS vlog has an English voiceover. It's because this is my way of practicing how to speak in English. It has always been one of my dreams to learn more and to become fluent in it. So if my grammar or pronunciation isn't that good yet, please understand that I'm still learning. By the way, I really love this Bible verse. I often see it on my TikTok FYP and even on my Facebook newsfeed. When the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen. As someone who is in the middle of my waiting season, this verse feels perfect for me. I know that when God's perfect timing comes, He will give me what my heart desires and what I have been silently praying for. You know, ever since I started this MWS vlog on my YouTube channel, none of my prayers have come true yet. But still, I keep praying and keep improving myself. I believe when the time is right, the Lord will make it happen. What He promises will truly come to pass, and I trust Him always and forever in my life. Honestly, there are times when I ask myself, should I continue this MWS vlog? Every time I check my uploaded videos, I can't help but feel a little disappointed seeing that my views are very low. Sometimes only 1 or 3 views only. But I don't want to lose hope and I don't want to give up. I believe that this MWS vlog has a purpose and that purpose will be revealed at the right time. So I continue even if only a few people are watching. My vlogs may not be aesthetic as others, but it's so meaningful to me and I really love what I'm doing. And I will keep going. I will continue what I started because I believe that one day all of this will bear a fruit at the right time.